watching my friends stream horror games on Twitch.
Is this R2?
Yep.
He's playing Amnesia, diba? I saw it. I was like, oh.
Yeah. Because he decided on let people on his stream
Chris.
decide on what game to play.
Have you played Amnesia, Carice?
No.
You should. You should. You'd love it.
No,
You'd
I
love it. You'd have it.
Did you get it as a free game, Carrie?
No.
On PS Plus?
I didn't see
It
it
was
when
free
it came out.
when?
I think it was free sometime last year.
Oh, I
Damn it.
know.
The Amnesia collection.
The collection, so it has a machine for pigs and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. It's really
I
I think
good.
it was free during October.
Oh,
Alongside
that
New Year.
explains a lot.
I totally missed out. That's fine. It's okay. I've already played Amnesia.
I don't want to play Amnesia because I'm just gonna panic.
That's the fun part. I had replayed Amnesia before, and she was just like yelling the entire time.
It's shitty because you have a sanity meter and you have to make sure that you're sane and
Oh. If somebody has a GameCube emulator, somebody let Carrie play Eternal Darkness.
no, what's
What's
that?
Eternal Darkness? That sounds familiar.
It's the game, the sanity meter, where the game will actually mess with you.
No. That's a hot.
Sounds fun. The turret's down here? What the fuck?
Are you serious? That's odd. Diva's on the balcony. Hog's dead.
God, we flanked them and it worked.
I love it.
Push forward.
Isn't Diva just sniping? Baby.
Sure is.
He next. He dead.
Where's the rest of them? Are they all dead?
Dead.
Good call, guys.
DED.
Okay. Yes. That was fast.
What happened? Oh. I hear somebody. I hear footsteps. Who's that? Oh, there's someone hiding. It's Reaper. He's
My
Reaper.
bad.
Reaper.
I forgot to
It's a
remember
fist. It's a fist.
No one has Reaper.
No, it's a fist.
It's
He's hiding. He's going
Okay.
up. He's there. Help, man.
I derped around.
Also, a soldier is coming from the back.
Reinhardt's died. He's dead.
Yeah. Their Brigitte is super aggressive.
Yeah, I knew it. I knew he was gonna do that.
Fist is dying.
Somebody up top.
There he is. You saw me, yeah? Also, soldiers in the back. They're gonna flank. Ah, dito ate. Thank you. Pwede ba halo?
He's
Sorry,
dying.
ate.
He's there. Here he is.
Oh, I'm at. Yeah. Reinhardt's coming from the back also. For some reason. No, I'm gonna die. I potato. I feel like the soldier's gonna wait for ult, and then he's going to go from behind.
Pain is an excellent teacher.
Thank you, ate. Tapos eating tubig. Thank you. Ay, diyan na lang, diyan na lang. Okay na. Are you all dead? Nope. I'm backing up. Except Ia. Backing up. Backing up.
Fist is hiding, by the way.
Also a soldier. There he is. I saw the
How
fist.
did you die, Genji? How did
He ran
you
into
die?
it. Oh, there's the Hanjo. Bye, cupcake. No! No, that's it.
Experience tranquility.
I don't have to use it.
Gaze into the
It's fine. I almost
There.
have EMP again.
Okay. Reaper probably has ult now right now. I knew it. Takina ka, gaga ka. Takina ka din. Takina ka also.
Oh, ano gagawin mo yung Mercy?
The Mercy's running. Oh my god. Okay, Reinhardt's in the back. He
They're
just
like-
charged.
Yeah.
Heal, please.
Oh no, where are you? There.
Got it.
Reinhardt's still in the
Move it to
back.
flank.
I think. No, he's there now. Okay. Get that fist! Oh, okay, never mind. He fell. Mercy's in the front. I saw her. She's hopping.
Whoa.
What's happening? Mercy's space shooting because she's alone.
Because he's moving to the other spawn.
Stupid. I almost have ult na. So I can save us from one push, maybe. Oh my god. Thank you. Cupcake! What is that? What is that?
Junkrat, no!
No.
That was really derpy.
That was really special.
Wow, I have 4 gold medals.
I have bronze behind you and silvers.
He killed Reinhardt.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh,
They didn't run.
wow.
They didn't run.
They couldn't run. Like, it was so close.
Acceptance. Good job, Kyle. Good job. Good job, Iya.
Good job, that was just dorking around.
God. This was just us pushing.